Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about exercise 8.1 fifth sum. Find the variance and standard deviation of the wages of 9 workers given below. First one 310, 290, 320, 280, 300, 290, 320, 310, 280. Already I told every time you have to write in a ascending order first. Okay, so first ascending order 280, again 280, next 290, another one 290, next only one 300, next 310, another one 310, next 320, another one 320. Totally 9 data they are given. So next they are given the single data, that is called the ungrouped data. Ungrouped data, already I told ungrouped data we will find out only d and d square. Okay, x value you have to write 1 by 1, x value you have to write 1 by 1. The next you have to find out the assumed mean. So first you have to count how many data they are given. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 workers detail only they are given. No, so 9 is the odd number. Easily we will find out the assumed mean. Okay, so which is the center value here? 300 is the center value, that is the assumed mean. Assumed mean. So now d value we have to find out. D is equal to x minus a. So d value is what? 300. X value is this full of x value. So d a value is the standard, x value will be vary. So 280 minus 300 minus 20, you have to square 400. 280 minus 300 minus 20, you have to square 400. 290 minus 300 minus 10, you have to square 100. 290 minus 300 minus 10, you have to square 100. So minus values you have to square also, you will get the positive value only. Okay, so the next 310 minus 300 plus 10 also 100. Minus 10 into minus 10 100 only, plus 10 into plus 10 also 100 only. Okay, so again 310 minus 300 plus 10, you have to square 100. Next 320 minus 300 20, you have to square 400. 320 minus 300 20, you have to square 400. Okay, now we have to, what's the formula for sigma? Sigma is equal to root of sum of d square by n minus sum of d by n the whole square. Here n value is what? 9. Already we know that. Okay, so now we have to find out the sum of d value first. Okay, here this one minus 20 minus 20 minus 10 minus 10, full of negative values. Negative values you have to add. 20 20 40 40 50 60. So minus 60. 0 60 minus 60 plus 0 also minus 60 only. So here now 10 plus 10 20, 20 plus 20 40, 40 plus 20 60. So 60 minus 60 0. So sum of d value is what? 0. Next sum of d square. 0 fully will add 0 only. Next also 0. So 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 1 11. 11 plus 1 12. 12 plus 4 16. 16 plus 4 20. 2000. So root of sum of d square by n minus sum of d by n the whole square. Root of what's the value? 2000 by 9 minus 0 by 9 the whole square. So 2000 by 9 you have to divide first. 2009. 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. 2 remaining 0. Again 2 9s are 18. You have to subtract it. 2. Next you have to drop down 1 0. Again 2 9s are 18. 2. So it's not divisible. So put add that. Here add 1 0. 2 9s are 18. 2 add 1 0. 2 9s are 18. Remaining 2. You have to stop it here itself. 200 and sigma value is what? 222.22. 222.22. Now you have to check it. Sigma value is what? Root of 222.22. Now we have to find out the variance also. No. Variance. Variance means what? Sigma square. Sigma square. So you have to square this value. Root of 222.22 whole square. So square root will be cancelled. So sigma square equal to 222.22 222.22. Now we found the variance value. Next we are going to find out the sigma value. Sigma value you have to find out. So sigma value we found root of 222.22. So using the long division method you will find out the approximate value. Okay. So what's the answer? 222. You have to find out 222.22. So listen, you have to take and divide one value also is okay. So I will take that together. So 15 15s are 225 will come. So in before values were 14 14s are 196. 196. You have to subtract it. 12. 12 minus 6 6. Here 1 borrow. So 11 minus 9 2. So this one you have to double it. Double it means 28 will come. Double it means 28. Next 2 digit you have to drop down. So 2622. In within this which value will come? 28. 9 1 so you have to try 9 9s are 9 9s are 81. Remaining 8. 7 and 8 9s are 72. 72 plus 8 80. Remaining 8. 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 8 26. Okay, 9 times will come up. 9 14.9. So what's the answer? 2601. So subtract it 1 2. So what's the value? Sigma value approximately 14.9. So and variance 222.22. Okay. Thank you students.